by the way, a recent example is the iPhone, right? The iPhone came out in 2007. There was no job called iOS developer in 2007. Now there's a lot of jobs called iOS developer today. And so you see how any of these technologies are going to create new roles. For the roles that they impact, it will be very important for those folks to think about reskilling, upskilling. But at the end of the day, we're talking about taking out a lot of low-level work that nobody's excited about. The average knowledge worker today spends 60% of the time, there's people like you and me, collecting and aggregating and making sure data is accurate. We would not miss that, just like we wouldn't miss having to schedule meetings, right? And so it allows us to focus on growth, on new things, the infinite number of things we all have on our plate. Now, but it is important to recognize that there will be a phase here where some occupations that are directly impacted will need to adapt.